This CNC texture plate cutting machine is a special equipment for decorative texture plate production. It is designed for solid wood texture board, wave plate and shaped wall panel optimization design. It solves the traditional equipment's processing of and inaccurate texture alignment. The whole machine has a heavy structure, 3-axis precision transmission, automatic tool changing system. It can complete various processes such as cutting, drilling, and milling. It can save raw materials. Strong vacuum adsorption tabletop. Processing large and small plates stably. It is widely used in whole house customization door panels, art, wall panels, background wall texture plates in batches. Automation reduces reliance on labor. Improve the delivery efficiency. Stable finished product quality. Professional texture board processing solutions, helping decorative sheet factories improve quality and efficiency.